not going to talk about that second fraction yet. That second fraction is the one that we're going to meet today with our objective. Okay?
Just have a word with Dimitri.
Yes. Okay? This is my whole. How many equal parts do I have? 4 equal parts. That's my denominator. How many are shaded? 2. So 2 of my 4s. This is my whole. Oh, that's our sets. When we have a set broken into equal parts. So if this is my whole, how many equal parts do I have? 9 equal parts. Agree or disagree with that one? Yeah, 3, 6, 9. How many of those 9 are shaded? 3. 3 of the 9 are shaded. I'm going to leave those uncovered. And then after we do our objective today, after we work on that and we play with it a little bit, you're going to see how easy it's going to be able to make equivalent fractions. So look at our content objective right now.
Let's read it out loud.
You will be able to make equivalent fractions and be able to show if 2 fractions are equivalent. Now, I've got my black term there that we're going to focus on. What does that black term say again? Equivalent fractions. And equivalent, I wanted you to hear that word, that base word in it. Equal, yes. So when we have an equivalent fraction, we're going to make 2 of them equal. Okay?
Are we going to make the fractions equal?
We are going to have to make some equal fractions, yes. Now, I have 2 words that are kind of bubbled in. Make and show. Because sometimes if I give you 4, 6, you're going to have to make an equivalent fraction. But sometimes I'm going to give you 2 fractions and you're going to have to show me, are they equal or are they not? Okay? And that ties right into our language objective. Look at what you're going to have to do, write, say, or listen to. You will be able to use the terms equivalent, not equivalent, when comparing 2 fractions and be able to show your proof. Now, if we go back to what we were doing here with multiplication and division, guys, you have to know those facts and able to make equivalent fractions. If you don't know your multiplication, equivalent fractions are going to be a little bit more difficult. So that's why we did our warm-up today with multiplication. So you've got those facts kind of warmed up in your brain. When I say go, you're going to go to your desk. All I need you to do is have your whiteboard, your marker, and I want a pencil out. And I'm going to give you some special fraction paper today, okay, to work on. Okay, so on my whiteboard, make sure that you have room to be able to make an equivalent fraction chain. So I'm going to start over here on the left-hand side so I have enough room. And I'm just going to write 1/2. Now wait a second. Do I have 1/2 yet?
No.
No. How many halves do I have right now?
2.
I've got 2 halves. So I want you to shade in 1/2.
Marker or pencil?
I would use your pencil. If you use your marker, you're going to word it. So with your pencil, just shade in 1/2 of your square. That's okay. Actually, that's good. And I would shade it in more. You really want it shaded, guys, so that you can clearly see the equivalent fractions that you're going to make. It doesn't necessarily have to be solid, but you want it really filled in.
Not totally.
Your half.
Your 1/2. You want to prove that you have 1/2 shaded in. So like mine, I don't have solid, but I have enough that you can see that I am talking about 1/2. And then remember, on your board, you want to start with that unit fraction, 1/2. Remember, the unit fraction means the numerator is 1. Doesn't matter what the denominator is.
Where you're gonna
And now that you have it folded in half, I want you to fold it in half again. Doesn't matter which way you fold it, just so you have half. It can be the long skinny way, it can be the across way.
There's an angle.
Okay. Open it back up. Same one, sweetheart. Nope, because you're same one.
Okay. It's equal.
Okay, open it up.
Oh, Jordan, good job.
Wait, what happened to my half?
It's equal into 4.
It turned into what?
4.
4. My halves? Now I've got 4 equal boxes. So what's my denominator going to be?
4.
4. Wait a second, did you use your pencil? Or did you just fold it? You didn't shade anything more in, did you?
No.
Okay, so what is that half now? What is my shaded half?
2.
I have 2 of my 4. Did I change my part?
No.
No! I didn't shade in anything more. I didn't take anything away. So 1/2 is the same as 2/4?
Yeah.
It shows it right there.
Because look at this is like blank and this one is.
Yep, so if you open it up like this, so that you can see the whole thing, I want my whole. Okay, so everyone's board, you've got 1/2 equals 2/4. Oh my goodness, Miss No Talking, look at this. I saw someone do this. Times 2 in the numerator, and then they remembered that rule that whatever you do the numerator, you do to the denominator. Times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is
4.
4.
That's me.
That's exactly what you just did. That would be my proof. So down here, when we said that we were going to be able to use the terms and be able to show proof, I just proved that those are equal.